All right, so now with example 5, okay? So again, do I have any groupings like how I did for example 4? I do not, so I'm gonna cross it out. Do I have any exponents? I do not, okay? Now I need to check, do I have either multiplication or division from left to right? So from left to right, I do have a multiplication, so I'm gonna work on this one right here. So I'm gonna circle for multiplication. I do not have division, so I'm gonna cross that out. So again, for my multiplication, I'm going to draw my Mickey Mouse. So I'm going to pause it to draw my Mickey Mouse. All right, so to use my Mickey Mouse here, remember I am multiplying, so I'm crossing that out. I also have a positive 3, so I'm going to cross out my positive. And then I have a negative 5, and I'm going to cross out my negative. So that means at the very end, I'm left with a negative. So my answer has to be negative. 3 times 5 should give me 15. And then I'm going to rewrite everything else just how I have it there because I did not use it. Okay. I'm going to leave you guys to finish the rest. So circle either we are going to add or subtract, show me your answer, and then move on to example 6. All right, so for example 6, we have this right here. So this is a little bit crazier than what we're used to, and that is fine. So now we need to look for our groups. Do we have any parentheses or any brackets? And we do have a group, which is this side right here, okay? So in that group, I am dividing, okay? So those are the two things I need to take care of. There's no exponents and in that group, or I don't see any exponents at all, and I'm just gonna leave it as that right now, okay? So I'm gonna pause the video to draw my Mickey Mouse. All right, so you guys should have drawn your own Mickey Mouse, okay? And I'm gonna use a pencil to cross it out. So now I know I have a negative 21, so I'm gonna cross out a negative. I am dividing, so I'm gonna cross out a division. And I have a positive 3, so I'm gonna cross out the positive, okay? So in the face, I have a negative, so this should be a negative, okay? Now I need to figure out 21 divided by 3, okay? So then the way we draw that is if I do the house method, 21 goes inside, 3 goes outside. 3 times 1 should give, 3 times what should give me 21, sorry, and that should be 7, okay? So here I should have a negative 7. And then I'm going to just bring down everything I did not use. Okay, so I didn't use 6 times negative 3 plus negative 7. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, now it looks like the other examples that we worked with. So now I do need to multiply. So here I am doing my multiplication first. I am going to multiply. So I need to draw another Mickey Mouse. So I'm going to pause the video and draw another Mickey Mouse. All right, so now with my Mickey Mouse, I have a positive 6. So positive 6. Then I know I am multiplying, so I'm going to cross out the multiplication. And then I have a negative 3, so I'm going to cross out the negative. I am left with a negative, so my answer should be negative. 6 times 3 should give me 18 plus my negative 7, okay? So what I'm going to ask of you guys to do is to circle either I am adding or subtracting. Make sure to circle your numbers with one symbol and show me your answer, okay? And I will be checking that in either the prayer deck or on your notes.